In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely remove a collection from your CMS, ensuring that you do it properly without leaving any lingering connections or data behind. Let's start by addressing the first crucial step, which involves deleting all the items within the collection and ensuring that everything is neatly disconnected. To begin this process, go ahead and open your CMS panel and carefully select the collection you want to remove. Once you have that open, it's time to select all of the items. Doing this is straightforward. Simply click on the Select button. You'll see a box labeled Name. Check this box to select every single item in the collection. With all items highlighted, click on Delete to permanently remove them from your system. Now, you might find yourself in a situation where the Delete Collection button remains inactive. This typically happens when there are existing connections that need to be addressed. Don't worry, there's a simple way to resolve this. Go to the Settings, look for the gear icon, and click on it. You'll want to find the option labeled View Connections, or sometimes it might be labeled as Disconnect. This feature will help you identify any elements or references that are still linked to your collection. As you proceed, make sure to click on the break icon next to each connection. This action effectively disconnects every element or reference associated with your collection. Think of it as severing all ties so the collection can stand independently, ready to be dismantled without leaving a trace. It's important to verify that no other collections are referencing this one. Take a moment to check thoroughly, and if you find any references, be sure to remove them. With all items deleted and connections severed, we can proceed to the next phase, which is deleting the CMS collection itself. Head back to the CMS panel and give some attention to the collection you're targeting. Hover over it and click the gear icon, or you can simply click directly on the collection name, and this will open up its settings for you. You'll want to scroll all the way down through the settings until you spot the Delete Collection button sitting at the bottom. Once you've found it, click on it with confidence. A pop-up will appear just to confirm your intentions. Click Confirm or whichever confirmation button is presented to eliminate the collection along with all associated data. And there you have it, a clean, thorough deletion of a collection from your CMS. Following these steps ensures there's nothing left behind, maintaining a well-organized and efficient CMS interface for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough makes your management tasks just a bit easier today.